Hello guys, my name is Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so for today's vlog is an unboxing video. Recently, I ordered something for myself and that is a Nike Run Swift 2. It's Nike shoes. So I just received it today and let's do an unboxing. I ordered in centralonline.co.th. So I just received it today. So let's do an unboxing. Hindi pa to nabuksan guys. So i-open natin to together. Okay, so I have this, my scissor. Okay, so I have here is the Nike box. Inside is the box of the Nike shoes and this one. Okay. I've been really wanting to order white shoes. I like this one because it's Nike and I got this one on sale. Let's open this one. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. Oh. Okay, so let's put the box down. So this is what it looks like. So what I like about these shoes is it's super clean and it has a gold white logo. So look at this. It's so nice. So I ordered a size of 6.5. Okay, so let's try to wear it on our feet. Let's see if it's fit on my feet. Okay. Okay, so let's go. So, I will say my final review about the Nike Run Swift 2. I like it so much because it's color white. It's so clean. Also, the Nike logo here is a color gold. And when I wore it, it's so comfortable. Okay, so, and the plus points for it is that I got it on sale, so it's worth it. That's it for today for my unboxing video about the Nike Run Swift 2. So if you're looking for a white shoes that is very comfortable and it's so elegant, so you can get the Nike Swift 2. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!